Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brendan, and if you didn't know, and now you know, welcome back to the channel. And today I want to explain the real reason why the cryptocurrency market crashed. Now, if you guys don't know already, Bitcoin has fallen by over 15%. We'll take a look at that in just a bit, but most of the altcoins have followed Bitcoin here. But there are a few that are still chugging to new all-time highs, while Bitcoin and most altcoins are plummeting to new monthly lows. Now, this all stems from one set of events, and that comes from Tesla and Elon Musk actually starting to sell off their Bitcoin and making a public statement about that. Now, if any of this sounds interesting, make sure you guys stick around for the entire length of the video, because there's a lot of important information to discuss here. Why Tesla bought Bitcoin, what they did after they bought Bitcoin, and why they sold it off. Because this is all very convenient, and I want to make sure that everyone understands this. So if that sounds interesting, again, make sure you guys stick around for the entire length of the video, and if you like it, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. But let's get into this. Now, if you guys don't know, back in the end of January, beginning of February, Tesla decided to buy Bitcoin to show that it can be a form of liquidity on United States companies-based balance sheets, which they did. Now, they bought their average Bitcoin price for around $34,000. It talks about that as we are going through this article just a little bit. But after Tesla decided to make this investment into Bitcoin, kind of the head of Tesla, as everyone knows, Elon Musk, decided to start really getting into the world of cryptocurrency. Now, this came through a set of tweets and public announcements from him, going on to interviews, even SNL, talking about cryptocurrency, shilling cryptocurrency, pumping cryptocurrency, specifically a few set of coins. But all of a sudden, we saw this favorable turn from both Tesla and Elon Musk as to why they were so favorable into Bitcoin now. Now, as this happened and over the last couple of months, all through February, March, and even April, they continued to do this. They continued to pump this. And as we got towards the end of April, around April 26th, Tesla decided to sell off around 10% of its Bitcoin, making almost 100% ROI, which is a return on their investment. Now, as it explains a little bit down here, Tesla bought around 43,000 Bitcoins for $1.5 billion for about $34,700 per Bitcoin in late January and early February. Now, when they sold this off, I don't know if you guys know the price, but the price was about $54,750, meaning that they made almost double their investment after selling this off. Now, conveniently, after Tesla has sold off their Bitcoin, Elon Musk comes out with an announcement about a week to a week and a half later saying let's click on the full tweet, but he is basically saying that we are concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels and how bad Bitcoin mining is for the environment. Hence, Tesla has decided to stop any kind of Bitcoin purchases that are coming in. He says cryptocurrency is good, but number one, Bitcoin's bad for the environment. And suddenly they have this bearish view on Bitcoin, and then also they are halting transactions on Bitcoin. Now, if you guys don't know, Tesla sells almost the entirety of their vehicles to the United States. Hence, they are affecting the United States and North America-based people the most, when the real energy crisis that comes out of Bitcoin mining is heavily from Asia. Now, this isn't something that we're targeting Asia and saying, this is so bad, grr, against Asia. It's nothing like that, but they have to recognize that they're punishing the wrong group of people that really have no control over this matter by removing Bitcoin. And there's a lot of people, that are in the Europe, Australia, North and South America that do mine Bitcoin from a lot of green energy sources. There's a guy, I believe, out in the Midwest of the United States that uses entirely, I believe it's wind-based energy through windmills to power his entire Bitcoin farm. Now, again, I just think that this is convenient that after Tesla has sold off their, a good portion of their Bitcoin for almost 100% gain, then this tweet comes out. Again, it's just, is it a coincidence? I just think that there's a very low likely that Tesla decided to sell their Bitcoin and then announce their bearish stance on it. Now, granted, they still have a good amount of Bitcoin, so they are shooting themselves in the foot to a degree. However, it's just weird that they take profits and then release this announcement. Lots of iffy and shady and a little bit of, I guess some people would say, scummy behavior coming out, because it's just a form of abuse in the sense that they know that they have a large say over what happens to the price of things that they tend to talk about, specifically Elon Musk. And, I mean, it's not like he didn't know if I come out and say this, it's going to have a negative effect on Bitcoin. In the same sense of when he tweets something about Dogecoin, he knows it's going to pump Dogecoin or whatever asset he talks about. And he knows the flip side of that, that if he says something bad about something, it's going to dump. Now, let's take a look at what happened to the price of Bitcoin, because in convenient fashion, and we want to measure this out. As soon as this started happening, if we want to measure this from top to bottom, this was about a 20%, 19 to 20% loss on Bitcoin. From where we're currently at, it's about a 14 to 15% loss. Now, conveniently, I won't pull up the Tesla chart right now, but after this happened, a lot of people were fairly upset with Mr. Elon, and they started selling off Tesla after it opened on the market today, and Tesla saw over a 3% loss on the day, which is a decently heavy one for a stock. Again, I know Tesla's a pretty volatile one, but this shows how unhappy a lot of people were with this kind of mixed and bipolar behavior, and Tesla stock definitely saw the negative end of that. But again, there's lots of stuff talking about this. Even Mark Cuban has released a statement. But for the most part, guys, that is it for the video. That is the real reason why Bitcoin crashed. And now there's a lot of other cryptocurrencies that have started to take off, because as Tesla really looks to diversify into more greener options, a lot of people are scheming as to what those options could be, whether it's Ethereum, XRP, Cardano. There's a lot of ones out there that people are thinking that Tesla could be accepting very, very soon, but we will see as that comes out. Maybe that's a topic for another video. If you guys want to see me talk about what the possibilities that Tesla could be accepting as the next cryptocurrency, let me know. I'm definitely down to talk about something like that, but hopefully you guys did enjoy this. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. I want to know your guys' thoughts. And if you did enjoy this, hit that subscribe button, because we have lots of more content like this coming out very, very soon. But until next time, I will see all of you in the next video.